we are here at a building in Chicago, Illinois. And check this out. Got a vintage manual Otis to ride. I have now reached the point of this video where I don't know how I'm going to run the elevator, take a video, and put the light down. So I'm going to figure that out right now real quick. Alright, so I found this little table that folds down. The light can sit there, so we can now see up the shaft, and I can operate the elevator and a camera. So here we go to the top. All right, now we'll go back down. So a really neat elevator. Now I need to put this back up. So let me do that real quick. All right, I returned the elevator back to how I found it. But that was really cool. So that's it.